Hello, everyone. This is Lelia from Rinpac. Are you still worrying about how to make your product stand out from the crowd?
Mylar bags have become a popular choice in the food industry for several reasons. Freshness preservation. Mylar's aluminium layer effectively blocks light and oxygen, keeping your products fresh for extended periods. This is particularly important for items like coffee, nuts, and snacks. Convenience. Resealable bags let customers open and close them easily. This makes it simple to store and access food. Branding opportunities. Custom Mylar bags can have bright designs and logos. They act like silent salespeople on store shelves. Multiple uses. These bags are suitable for a wide range of food products. They can hold dry goods and pet food, making them a great choice for different businesses. For more questions, please feel free to contact me.
We'll be right here waiting for you. Thank you for watching. See you next time.